Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is install Node. I'm going to open up PowerShell, and I typically go and have administrator access just because it's easier and the console doesn't give me any errors. And I'm going to run node-v to check the version of Node. I've currently got 10.11.0, and if you go to https://nodejs.org, then you will see the download for Windows on both the long-term support version and the current. I always do long-term support because they've worked out all the bugs, everything's good, everything works properly. So I'm going to click on the recommended for most users. And it'll download at the bottom of the screen. The reason that you want to install Node is that's how you run npm scripts, and that's how a lot of the JavaScript stuff is run these days on the web. The Node wizard will open up, and we're just waiting for it to check all the requirements. Then follow through the installer, click Next, accept the terms of agreement, Next, and then just, if you have a specific place that you want to install it, that's fine, but I just install it in my program files. And then it shows that npm comes with this. You want npm for sure because that'll allow you to use npm packages, and that's how everything works in Node really. Then I'll click install and wait for the system to install. One of the longest parts of getting development going is waiting for installations and software to download. Now it's removing files because I had a previous version of Node installed on my computer, so it's just cleaning up the dependencies and installing the new version of Node. I've also noticed that if you try to do node v in PowerShell or command line, command prompt, and Node is not on your computer, then it will say that the command is not found. That's one quick way to know that you need to install Node. And then once you're done, you click finish. And with that, let's install our next piece of software. I'll see you in the next video.